Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the BH Cosmetics Chillin' in Chicago palette. That's what it looks like. Kind of a neutrally palette with some pinks and browns, a little bit of gold. So super duper cute. We're going to see what kind of look I can come up with, and if that's something that you want to see, then just keep watching. I'm going to go ahead and put my hair up real quick. Take off my glasses and put a little Milani eye primer on. So this palette is the newest palette for BH. They just came out with it. But from what I saw on Ulta, it says only here, you know, in the little bubble. So I'm guessing you can only get it at Ulta, unless you can only get it at Ulta and BH's website, but I don't know. But you can get it at Ulta. And it retails for $16, so not too bad for a BH Cosmetics palette. Kind of around the range of what they are. It has 16 shades. It's a little bit smaller than like their avocado and mimosa palette, it seems like, but they had more shades in them too. So the pans are around the same size. So, but it is a good size palette. It has a mirror. Alright, so I'm going to take Chicago Dog right here on a BK Beauty 202, the fluffy but tapered brush. I'm taking that in my crease. Just as a transition shade. I'm taking Wrigleyville on a BK Beauty 206, just the flat fluffy brush that I use on my outer corner, and that's where I'm putting it, is the outer corner. Taking Magnificent right here on my BK Beauty 203, which is just a flat shader brush. Taking a cotton round with some micellar water, and I'm just going to clean up any of my edges or fallout I might have. I'm going to put the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer on. I'm putting on the Misha Perfect Cover BB Cream in number 21. Just got like super dark. Hopefully it doesn't rain again. I'm taking the Sigma F47 multitasker to blend that out. Taking Milani Conceal and Perfect Long Wear Concealer in the shade Pure Ivory. And I'm going to dot that on my eyes. I'm taking my concealer brush to blend that out. I'm taking the number 7 Lift Illuminate Triple Action Finishing Powder in Light again. And putting that on my under eyes. I'm taking the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It Sunkissed Bronzer for face and body in light. And I'm going to use that just to warm up my face a little bit. And here it is. Going under the chin, down my neck. And I'm taking the ColourPop Pressed Powder Blush and tearing up my heart. I won't sing to you this time, but that's what it looks like. Makes me want to sing, but you know, I'll try to keep it inside. My camera cut off. I don't know where it cut off, but I was doing blush. I used Tearing Up My Heart by ColourPop. And now I'm going into the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in 250. And this is the one that they did with Nikki Tutorials. Going down my nose. Cupid's bow, and chin. I'm going to take Wrigley Veil again. That's the shade that I got on my outer corner. And I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. I'm going to take Lakeview down here, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner. And I'm going to take the Essence Lash Princess and put on a few coats of this. Now for the lips, I'm taking the NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and Perfectly a Turn On Waterproof Extreme Color Lip Liner in Nude Suede Shoes. And now I'm taking the ColourPop Luxe Lip Oil in Blossom Out. I'm going to put that on top of my lip liner. I'm going to take the Fourth Ray Glisten Up Illuminating Mist. And I'm going to spray my face real quick. Alright, well this is the final look using the BH Cosmetics Chillin' in Chicago palette. And that's what it looked like. I really enjoyed using these. I love BH Cosmetics shadows. They're always pigmented. They always blend well. The shimmers, you can use them with a brush. You don't have to use your finger, and they go on perfectly, just as if you used your finger with some other shadows. I always enjoy when BH comes out with a new collection so I can try it. This is just a perfect color story for every day. All the browns and pinks, and then you got some kind of a bronzy shade, a gold, some just brown type of shimmers, just everything you would need for an everyday look. So I think that if you're looking for an everyday palette, something inexpensive that works perfectly, this would be a great option for you. I think it's something that is good to pick up. I really love the look that I came up with, and I can't wait to play with this some more. There's so many options that I can do. I really love this jazzy shade. I want to play with that jazzy shade. It's really pretty. But I'll have to wait because I got a lot of Juvia's Place palettes that I want to play with on camera and show you guys. So I'm pretty excited to be delving even deeper in Juvia's Place. But I'll definitely come back to this palette just because it's just an easy palette. You can do all kinds of combinations. It's not going to be too loud, but you're going to have the shimmers that just makes it perfectly sparkly. I just think this is the perfect palette, and I recommend it to anybody that is looking for a neutral perfect palette. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And thanks for hanging out with me, and I guess I'm going to talk to you later. Bye, y'all.